Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by controlling variables. Your Google account and IP must appear US-based so Google's checks pass. First, sign in to a fresh Google account and enable a trusted VPN with a US endpoint. Next, secure a US-capable phone number you can receive SMS or voice calls on. This can be a VoIP service that accepts Google verification or a cooperating friend. Once done, make sure the account's language and payment/profile region are set to United States before proceeding to Google Voice. With your US IP active and signed in, navigate to Google Voice and select Get a Voice Number. Pick an area code that fits your use. Smaller metro codes usually have more availability. When Google prompts to verify, have your US-capable number ready and accept either SMS or call verification. Enter the code exactly as received. If Google asks for payment or address details, provide consistent US region settings on your account. This reduces risk of blocks during setup and number selection. Finalize by linking forwarding devices and configuring voicemail and text preferences so calls route where you need them. Test outgoing calls and texts to ensure the number is fully functional. Use a separate device or network to confirm. If Google blocks the attempt, don't panic. Switch to a new US VPN endpoint or a different US-capable verification number and repeat verification, because transient signals or flagged IPs are common causes. One key troubleshooting tip is to clear cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.